Chloe has thrived, and now she's in high school, and she is doing wonderful.
We've had Peyton, our daughter, in Omega Learning Center for 2 years now, and noticed a huge difference in the quality of the education and how it's really enhanced her classwork.
I get better grades when I come to Omega Learning Center.
There you have it, some very satisfied customers who have used the Omega Learning Center. They tutor students in all areas of academics, and especially those state-mandated milestone tests. They get kids ready for that. Kimberly Smith is the co-founder and CEO of Omega Learning Center. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
So tell me a little bit about Omega Learning Center and what you guys do.
Absolutely. Omega Learning Center, we have 8 centers tutoring K through 12, and we have 8 here in Atlanta. Okay, we have 15 in the Southeast, and we do tutoring kindergarten through 12th grade for every subject and every grade in school. We're nationally accredited by Advance Ed, or the Southern Association of Colleges and Schools here in Georgia, so we're held accountable to a higher standard. In fact, we're the only nationally accredited tutoring franchise system in the country.
I love that. And how are you guys different from all the other tutoring systems and centers out there?
Exactly. Well, aside from our accreditation, we do hire certified teachers, so that's really important that you understand that your child is being taught by the absolute best tutor. They are certified teachers, and in addition, we communicate daily with not only the parents at home but also the child's teacher at school. So we send a daily communication update to what we call the academic team, and it shows exactly how we're working on the program and how we're helping you achieve your academic goals.
And you do all ages, little kids, middle school, even high school as they get ready for college.
Absolutely. As a matter of fact, we just launched our brand new proprietary SAT prep called Outpace SAT, and so we do offer an evaluation test, a free SAT and ACT evaluation test at all of our learning centers.
Oh, wow.
You just need to RSVP through our website omegalearning.com and find a center that's closest to you, and it will give you a comprehensive evaluation test, see how you're going to do on the test. It has changed its format, the SAT, and that launches in March of this year.
So you need to learn about those changes.
Exactly.
So you can do your best. And I know the end of the year is coming close, and a lot of kids have the end of the year tests. Do you find a lot of kids coming in for help with that?
We do. We have the Georgia Milestones, which is a very important end-of-year test, and it measures the comprehension of the Georgia curriculum standards the children learned in grades 3 through 8 throughout the school year. The Georgia Milestones is great. The test is grades 3 through 8, and we do offer a Georgia Milestones evaluation test for free at all of our centers. Again, everything is for free, so you would just call RSVP for the Georgia Milestones evaluation test and find out how you're going to do on the test before you actually take it, and it will be around spring break time.
And let me ask you this, because I know some parents are maybe on the fence. Does my kid need help? You know, should they not? What should you look for? When do you know that you need some outside help maybe to get your children up to speed?
Exactly. Well, most students don't really understand there's a problem until grades fall. So we really encourage parents to be proactive. We offer the Woodcock-Johnson assessment, which is the industry's most comprehensive assessment process. This will pinpoint skill gaps in math and reading. It's an hour, so it's a quick and easy test. We're offering this at all of our centers. We have a coupon that we're offering, so you just need to call the center to find out what special offer they have. But it is a fantastic test that really shows if there are any skill gaps in math and reading, so you don't wait till grades fall.
Yeah, and let's be honest, parents, we don't remember. You know, we can't teach our kids as best as they can learn. We need an expert. So thank you so much for coming on. It's like I'm going back to school too. To book an appointment, all you have to do is log on to omegalearning.com.